Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Couscous. So guys, I'm going to be introducing you to fermented rice water. Fermented rice water is when you wash your rice and then you put the water aside and then leave it for some time or some weeks or some months for it to ferment. This is 1 month fermented rice water. Yes, I actually kept this for a whole 1 month before introducing it to you. This rice water is very good on the hair and it's originated from a little village called Yao in China. The Yao women uses this as their conditioner. They use this as their shampoo and they use this basically to wash their hair. And these women are known to have the longest hair in the world. Actually, I added some stuff here to reduce the smell because it stinks. A day rice water smells bad. Talk more of a month rice water. So this stuff actually is to reduce the smell. This is orange peel and also have some stuff in there to reduce the smell, okay? The Yao women do add some of their natural herbs in their recipe, but we don't have that here. So I'm going to be using Ayurvedic herbs, that is some herbs from India instead to substitute for what they use in making theirs. And that is what I used previously and I liked the outcomes. You can decide to leave yours for 24 hours or a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or a month, 2 months, 3 months, depending. But this very one, I left it for a month. This recipe does miracle to the hair. It improves hair growth, it adds shines to the hair, it removes dandruff, it detangles hair, it does a lot to the hair. Trust me, I've tried this once and I saw the miracle in it, so I decided to do it again. And I'm going to be doing 2-month trial of fermented rice water and see what it will do to my hair again, okay? I will advise you try this. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this and how to use this. Let's get to it. So guys, it is exactly 2 hours since I applied the fermented rice water and Brahmi powder, which is an Ayurvedic herbal plant. So I'm just going to be washing mine right away. You can choose to leave yours for 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours. It depends. Right now, I'm going to be washing mine with shampoo, and the shampoo I'm going to be using is Rare Organic Herbal Shampoo. It is very good for both natural and relaxed hair. So if you want to order this, just drop comments below. I will respond to it immediately. And to all my subscribers, both new and old subscribers, thank you so much for being a part of this family. If this video was useful to you, kindly give me thumbs up, drop a comment below, share, and also subscribe by clicking the red notification bell and then select all so you get all of my videos. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Bye.